beloved aficionados and vibrant young minds. A thought on thoughts for introspection today. It may not be true that thoughts are things, but it is true that thoughts create things, and the things thus created are strikingly similar to the nature of the thoughts from which they are fashioned. We become what we think about. If we think we are strong, we are. If we think we are weak, we are. To illustrate this, let me quote a small anecdote from the lives of two eminent personalities, Helen Keller and Napoleon Bonaparte. In a press meet, both were posed the same question. The question posed was, how do they find life? Helen Keller, as all of you know, a deaf, dumb, and blind lady who rose up to an American educator and is a recipient of various awards and honors, readily replied that she found life so beautiful. Whereas Napoleon Bonaparte, the famous French emperor who had everything men crave for, wealth, power, valor, etc., replied that he had never known 6 happy days in his life. See the difference in the way both looked at life. It is purely based on their thoughts. So, as Mahatma Gandhi says, let's keep our thoughts positive because it becomes our words, and keep our words positive because it becomes a behavior, and keep our behavior positive because it becomes a habit, and keep our habit positive because it becomes a values, and keep our values positive because it creates our destiny. So, dear friends, may this power of positive thoughts bestow confidence, self esteem, and motivation, and put us in a better mood today and forever. Wish you an awesome day. Thank you.